Eggs are highly nutritious food. Some important factors to consider before consuming eggs. Firstly, what is the caloric value of an egg? Average egg contains 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat, and almost nil carbohydrates. What is the protein contents in a large egg? Egg white contains 3.6 grams of protein, and egg yolk contains 2.7 grams of protein. The amino acids present in eggs: essential amino acids: histidine, lysine, thionine, threonine, tryptophan, valine, and others. Non-essential amino acids: alanine, arginine, and aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, tyrosine, glutamic acid, and more non-essential amino acids. Also, there is some conditionally essential amino acids: arginine, cysteine, and tyrosine. You see, there is a bunch of amino acids in one egg, average or large egg. A large egg contains about 5 grams of fat. Saturated fat, 1.6 gram. Monounsaturated fat, 2 grams. Polysaturated, like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, 0.7 grams. Cholesterol in one egg is 186 milligrams. It's important to note that the dietary cholesterol doesn't have a much impact on blood cholesterol, so there is a big difference between diet cholesterol and the blood cholesterol. And usually the blood cholesterol is high when there is burn for the egg by high heat. So usually we use low heat for cooking egg. We'll see next. Eggs also rich in essential minerals: iron, important for hemoglobin, and phosphorus, important for bone health, and selenium, important for antioxidant. Eggs also considered a nutritious source of vitamins: vitamin B, essential for red blood cells formation and neurology, of course; vitamin D, essential for bone health and calcium absorption; is vitamin A for vision and immunity; and vitamin E, it is important antioxidant. Ways to cook eggs: that's very important. Usually, to have healthy egg, use medium or low temperature for short time. So now there is some important factors, and let us ask question: can eggs handle the heat? Eggs are very sensitive to temperature changes. Some changes happen to the high heat: denaturation of protein, coagulation of protein, Maillard-Browning reaction, and nutrient changes, and also some killing bacterial action and texture changes and digestibility action from using of high heat or burn for eggs. So the first one, healthy egg, is sunny side up eggs or sunny side omelette. Usually we cook the egg from one side. And how to do it: just heating a pan with oil and butter and cracking an egg into it without flipping it, cooking until the egg white is set and it is done. Second choice is soft boiling of an egg. Usually we use also like boiled water for 4 to 5 minutes, and after that we can put the egg in the water for a few minutes, and after that we will take it by spoon outside, and usually it is runny yolk. Poaching eggs involve cooking them in water without adding any fats, and it is very healthy cooking way for eggs. So poached egg is also good. Steamed egg, another good choice. Steaming egg is a gentle cooking method that doesn't require added fat or making it healthy and make it healthy option. So still one hard boiled egg, it is also healthy but not that much like soft boiled egg, and everyone knows how to make hard boiled egg. It is also important, but the last important one. Thank you very much, and enjoy your meals and enjoy your healthy eggs. Thank you.